Okay, so once again we've got the brake light, ABS, everything else. Let's do this. I've got a voltmeter. I'll explain, and the gearbox. Let's go back and take a look back here. This is a brand new battery, and if we put the connections in here, we're getting 1893, 94. That's way too high. We've got a bad alternator, possibly a bad voltage regulator. The car's got 204,000 miles on it. I'm guessing the battery was fried from an overcharging alternator. So I'm going to shut this off right now, like right now.